Hello and welcome to AI Learner Hub. In this first video of our AI Fundamentals playlist, we're going to answer a big question. What exactly is artificial intelligence? Let's get started. So, what is the core idea behind AI? Simply put, it's the science and engineering of making machines smart. We're trying to build computer systems that can do things that, until now, have required human intelligence. Think of it like teaching a child. A child learns by seeing examples, slowly recognizes patterns, and then starts making their own decisions. AI systems learn in a very similar way, but their examples are vast amounts of digital data. You might be surprised to learn that AI is not some futuristic fantasy, it's already a part of your daily life. When you ask Siri or Alexa for the weather, that's AI. When Netflix or YouTube suggests what to watch next, that's AI. The spam filter protecting your email, the navigation app that finds the fastest route, and even the feature that automatically tags your friends in photos, all powered by different forms of artificial intelligence. So what are we trying to achieve with AI? We can break it down into 4 main goals. First, problem solving, like figuring out the best move in a game of chess. Second, reasoning, which is using logic to reach conclusions. Third, and most importantly, learning, which means improving over time based on new data. And finally, perception, which is about understanding the world through sight, sound, and language, just like we do. Now, you've probably heard the terms artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning used together. It's important to understand how they relate. Think of it as a set of Russian dolls. Artificial intelligence is the biggest doll, the entire field. Inside it is machine learning, which is a specific subset of AI. And inside that is deep learning, which is an even more specialized part of machine learning. Let's break that down a little more. Artificial intelligence is the broad, overall concept of intelligent machines. Machine learning, or ML, is the most common approach * we use today to achieve AI. It's all about creating algorithms that allow a computer to learn from data. And deep learning is a very powerful type of ML that uses complex structures called neural networks, inspired by the human brain, to solve very difficult problems. So how does an AI actually learn using machine learning? It's a 4-step process. First, we need data, lots of it. This can be images, text, or numbers. Second, we feed this data into a learning algorithm, which you can think of as a recipe. The algorithm sifts through the data to find patterns. Third, the output of this process is a trained model. This model is essentially a smart program that has captured the patterns from the data. Finally, this model can now be used to make predictions on new data it has never seen before. Scientists often categorize AI into 3 types. First is narrow AI, which is what we have today. This AI is designed for one specific task, like playing Go or identifying faces. Second is general AI, or AGI. This is the science fiction idea of an AI that is as smart as a human across the board. We are not there yet. Finally, there's superintelligence, a theoretical AI that would vastly surpass human intellect in every field. For now, our focus is entirely on building and improving narrow AI. So, why should you take the time to learn about AI? Because it is rapidly changing our world. It's transforming industries from healthcare to entertainment, creating new jobs, and solving some of humanity's biggest challenges. Understanding the fundamentals of AI is becoming a critical skill, not just for programmers, but for everyone. It helps you understand the technology shaping your life and gives you the power to be a creator, not just a consumer, in this new era. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of what artificial intelligence is. But this is just the beginning of your journey. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to AI Learner Hub and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our weekly lessons.